Hey folks, in this video we're going to have a look at simplifying algebraic expressions. This is one of the first things that we're going to learn when we start to learn algebra, and it's about being able to identify the things that are the same and putting them together so that we have an expression that is as simple as it can be. Let's get into it. In this first example, 6x plus 5x, you'll notice that both of these have an x. Because they have the same letter, x, after them, we call these like terms, and we can combine them. 6 times x plus 5 times x is going to be 11 times x, which we're going to write as 11x. In the next one, we've got 6z take away 3z. Once again, our z's are like terms, so we can combine them together. If I have 6 of them and I take 3 of them away, then I'm going to have 3 left over. So I'll have 3z. This one has minus 8 times y plus 3 times y. Because they both have the same letter, the y, then we can combine these terms. If I have minus 8 of them and then I add 3 of them, I will have minus 5 of them, and I write it as minus 5y. That's my final answer. Now this next one's a little bit different because I've got 3 terms, 2 of them have an a in them, and 1 of them is just a coefficient, the number 7. So we can combine the 2 terms with an a in them because they're like terms, but we can't combine it with the 7. So if we had 3 lots of a plus 9 lots of a, I know 3 plus 9 is 12, so I would have 12a. That takes care of the first and the last term, but we still have the number 7, so we need to include that in our answer as well, plus 7. Right, next one, 7d, take 8, take 2d. My first term and my last term have a d, so we can call those like terms and combine them together. 7 take 2 is 5, so 7d take 2d is going to be 5d. The only other part of our original equation was minus 8, so we need to now include that in our answer as well. So 7d take 8 take 2d is the same as 5d take 8.